All right, thanks, Hattie. Now, here is something you don't see every day. A tropical system could bring heavy rain and flooding to parts of Arizona.
Yeah, that's a pretty rare occurrence in that part of the country. It won't be so desert-like there in the coming days, and we could see the effects of that tropical system here 1,700 miles away. Meteorologist Chris Reece is here to explain. Good morning, Chris.
Good morning, guys. That's right. What we're tracking right now is known as Tropical Depression Rosa, and that is moving towards Arizona right now to likely bring a lot of rain and winds near 30 miles per hour as we go through tomorrow. But let's talk about how this is going to impact us. This right here is the jet stream. This dip in the jet stream off the west coast, that is known as a trough. And what's happening is this trough is picking up all of this moisture over the desert southwest and shooting that directly towards Wisconsin. Notice how that flow comes straight towards us. Another thing we can watch is some of that tropical moisture. Here that is over the desert southwest. That'll essentially translate right across the mountains and then get absorbed. And here we are Wednesday night with that bullseye of moisture that you have across the upper Midwest. Here's how the rain is going to move with that. Watch the region of low pressure over the Four Corners region. That will get absorbed by another low across the upper Midwest by the time we get you towards Wednesday morning, bringing more of that heavy rain towards the Madison area. But the thing is, that's not the only rain chance. Watch how this essentially stays dominant in terms of that southwesterly flow. Then we have what's known as the Bermuda High. That's going to tap into some Gulf of Mexico moisture as we go through the next couple of days. So by the weekend, we'll have Pacific moisture and Gulf of Mexico moisture impacting our rain chances. So Rosa is essentially establishing more of a flow for moisture to be pumped into south central Wisconsin. So that means more and more rain chances as we go through the next few days.
The last thing we need to see.
I know.
That is the last thing we need. But thankfully, although we could see 2 to 3 inches by next weekend, I don't think that's going to happen all at once.
All right.
That is good.
Officially
so much,
the wettest start ever to October.
Didn't need to hear that.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Chris.
My pleasure.
5:28 right